Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back. Today we are digging deeper. Last week we asked what will actually move Bitcoin next. This week, let's ask something even more important. Why do most people fail to hold Bitcoin long enough to win? Because if history shows profits every 4 years, why so many people lose? Okay, a word of disclaimer as usual. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any financial decision, alright? Bitcoin isn't about charts and cycles. It's about psychology. Greed, fear, impatience. These emotions drive most investors. Do you really think that short-term traders are the ones who win? Or is it the patience holders who quietly wait through the noise? Think about it. If every bull run has stories of people who sold early only to watch Bitcoin multiply afterwards, and every bear market has stories of panic selling and who couldn't stomach the dip, the human factor is the biggest risk. Forget about the volatility, the booms and bust cycles, the gambling mentality, the get-rich-quick schemes. If you have the patience to save and hold for at least 4 years, history shows that a profit every single time, without fail. Isn't that more powerful than chasing the pump? Ask yourself, okay? Are we investing in Bitcoin or are we gambling with it? Because the difference here is patience. Investors hold through the cycles. Gamblers chase the headlines. If you understand Bitcoin, its scarcity, decentralization, and security, you will be more assured this will happen. Again, here's the beauty. Even if you don't understand Bitcoin, historical confidence is enough. The data speaks louder than the hype. Every halving, every cycle, Bitcoin has rewarded patience. Isn't that the kind of assurance investors dream of? You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need conviction. So people with so why do most people feel that? Because they panic at dips. They chase headlines. They sell too early. There are emotions override the history. Let me give you an example. In mid-2017, many sold $3,000 thinking that they were smart. By 2021, Bitcoin was over $60,000. the winner. Same thing, in 2022, panic sellers dumped at $20,000, only to see it recover to 70,000 later on. The winners are the ones who hold through the cycle, who ignore the noise, who trust the process. Ask yourself, okay, are you trading your conviction for short-term fear, or are you willing to wait for history to repeat? Conviction isn't just about believing in Bitcoin. It's about building a habit that protects you from your own emotion, right? Automate your savings. Stop checking the price every hour. Focus on the 4-year cycle or horizon, not the 4-day chart. Because conviction isn't blind faith, it's discipline. That discipline is what separates winner from loser. Now, I know what you are thinking. Bitcoin is around 84,000 right now. It feels like it's running away. Should you chase it, or should you hold? Here's the truth, okay? Price move fast in short term, but history moves slowly. Every cycle, Bitcoin has sharp drop and sudden rallies. In fact, just recently we saw liquidation whip out billions as Bitcoin dipped below $82,000. And yet, zoom out, every 4 cycle has ended higher than the past. So ask yourself, are you trying to time the perfect entry, or are you building conviction to hold through the cycles? Because even the 84,000, history shows patient days. The winners aren't the one who panic at dips or chase tops. They are the one who hold through storms. So, what's the real reason? Bitcoin rewards patience. Every cycle proves it. If you can hold through the storm, you will see what history has already shown. Profit without fear. So stay sharp, stay patient, and stay focused on the foundations. The fundamentals. If you are enjoying this weekly series, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear that patient pace. And finally, this is not financial advice, just a digest of the current and market trend and analysis. Agree or disagree, the decision is yours. Go in with your eyes wide open. Okay? See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.